Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this app from this developer and tap on Open. After that, wait for the pop-ups to show up and when you do, choose values in the app and allow in all of them. Then select Home button. Now go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then you need to click on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, click on Default Apps and finally click on Home app over here, in this case Launcher. Now you need to tap on iOS Launcher. Wait, click on Home button and just got it in the pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. You can always though switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on Poco Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!